In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out from all devices on Udemy. This is a useful step if you're concerned about account security, or if you've logged in on multiple devices and want to ensure they're all signed out. Let's go through the process together to make certain your account remains secure across the board. First, we need to navigate this issue through the change of your Udemy account password. Changing your password is a straightforward way to force a logout across all your existing sessions, ensuring no unauthorized access. Start by logging into your account on the Udemy website. If you're not already familiar, visit Udemy's homepage and click on the Login button, where you'll enter your current credentials to gain access. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find either your profile picture or your initials displaying in a circular icon. Hover over this icon, and a small drop-down menu will appear, listing various options related to your account. You're going to want to click on either Account or Account Settings from this menu to move forward. In the Account Settings section, look for the Change Password option. This is key to the process, as selecting this will allow you to alter your current password and subsequently log you out from all devices once completed. Proceed by entering a new password. Aim for something secure yet memorable. For added security, consider a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Ensure that this new password is something distinct from your previous passwords for optimal security. After you've input your new password, re-enter it in a second box to confirm you've typed it in correctly both times. This double entry step protects against typos or errors that could prevent you from accessing your account later. Finally, click the Change Password button. This simple action not only updates your password, but securely logs you out from all devices that had access to your Udemy account using your old password. It's a great practice to regularly change your password and stay vigilant about where you're logged in, especially if you often switch between multiple devices. And there we have it. In just a few steps, you've successfully logged out from all devices on Udemy, bolstering your account security. Remember to keep your new password stored in a safe place, perhaps using a reliable password manager to ensure easy access for future logins. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and invite you to explore more content for additional ways to manage your online account securely. Thank you for tuning in, and see you in the next video.